Hello again from warm and sunny Bujumbura, Burundi. As you can see, we are here at the barbecue place. Last time we used a gas grill, but we saw that there is one charcoal grill. Well, if you want to use the charcoal grill, you better get the charcoals yourself. So let's first go and try to find some charcoals. I found a place, but there's nobody here. Let's wait. I'm sure somebody will come very soon. You see behind me now these big bags of charcoal that they are bringing from the mountain there in those bicycles downhill. Howdy, howdy. Howdy. What am I saying? The bacon charcoal.
Demir.
Kisoheli, bacon.
Tunaanzia kwa Demir. Tunaanzia kwa 2000.
2000. Okay, sawa. Kuka cosa c'è? Ok, tutto anno. So I got the bag this size, charcoal, 2,000 Burundian francs. I don't know if it was a tourist price, but what I tried to ask from the locals, I think it's a fair price. And not far away from us, maybe just 10 minutes walk. Looks like this area is also the car repair place. There's many cars, as you can see now also. They are fixing on this spot. Changing tires, doing brakes, oil changes, stuff like that. I hope it doesn't start to rain. It's been basically raining every day. Sometimes a bit harder, sometimes not so much. But today the forecast said no rain, although there are some white dark clouds there and a bit windy, but let's see. I think we can still barbecue today. These grills are already hot. It's been covered here with the black metal, so they are very hot. I have a temperature meter here. So at the moment here, this meter was in the shade. I just moved it here. So 35.2 and humidity 29%. So I know, at least in Finland, many friends I've seen the WhatsApp status. So the first snow came to Finland. So many places it's white. The winter has started, but not here. Today we have two kinds of meat. We prepared this a couple of days ago and put it to marinate to fridge. This is pork, kind of a pork chops. Has a little bone there which we left. Just put normal basic seasoning, salt, pepper, our self-made chili sauce. But here, this is interesting to try this. This is, which I think is goat. As I said earlier, all the meat here, it comes normally with bones, like also this one. So then we cut all the meat away from the bones and then also put seasoning, a little bit yogurt, honey, self-made chili sauce, pepper, rosemary and garlic. Interesting to see how this will taste. Never barbecued goat meat myself before. Haven't eaten here already some goat meat. It tastes nice, but I was not sure about the marinade. But at least it smelled very nice when we made it. So yeah, let's put this on the skewers. These will not need skewers big enough, but these are so small pieces, so we need skewers. We found this here, so let's see how this fanning machine works. Works like a dream. While we are waiting our barbecue to get hot, let's see what we've been doing this week. As you probably noticed, we've been traveling almost every week. Days trips here and there, seeing properties, existing buildings. And again, this week Thursday. Today is Saturday afternoon, but this week Thursday we went to a trip again. But this time not far away at all. We traveled first of all to Gakungwe, which is just 13 kilometers from here. You would say still outskirts of Bujumbura. And then a second place was Kavumu. Again 13 kilometers from here, but now up to mountains. That's a place actually that we can see from our window. Now you won't see it because of the fence, but we see it from our window up there over the mountains. So it is very nice. So while waiting this to get hot, enjoy a few minutes video clip of this week trips. while others are taking measurements. I took some drone shots, and as you could see, very beautiful scenery. Close to city, you can see the lake, you can see Bujumbura, but this feels very countryside, more peaceful, more quiet. Even if you compare to the last site we just came from there, a lot of people, a lot of children. Here, just few. But as you can see, all these hills, mountains, they are basically populated, cultivated. Somebody asked, based on the previous video, that how do people live here in Burundi? What do they do for work, or how do they survive? Where do they get the food? So here's one good example. All these hills here, they are homes, and basically every free piece of land, sometimes people own it, or sometimes it's just kind of a communal ground or someone's land which allows them to cultivate it. People have maybe a few goats, maybe some pigs, and here you can see also they cultivate cassava or beans or potatoes or other. Like here you see here now behind me a small piece of land, and it's been cultivated, planted. Rainy season has started a few weeks ago, so now it's a very good time to cultivate and plant. Okay, soon we will be ready for barbecue. Bon appetit! We start now enjoying our barbecue meat with Mari. We say thank you for watching and see you next time. Let's taste some cold. Nice spicy taste. Our chili sauce is a success, but the meat itself is quite tough. Marinated quite long, but could be a bit more tender, but the taste is good. Can also taste the rosemary a little bit. Yeah, not bad. What about the pork? Is quite tender. Yeah.